Welcome to Vilnius Central Railway Station, and Marina and I
Hello.
are off on an overnight adventure today to Kaunas. Where's the Kaunas? Kaunas. I pronounce everything wrong. Kaunas. Now Marina's been a good girl.
Yes.
So I bought her a first class seat. I paid the extra €2 so we could have first class seats. Ticket off?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, Poshli, let's go.
Let's go. This is for.
Oh, where are we going? Okay. We're lost in the train, but we found it first class. Upstairs. Second level Marina. Seats 2 and 3. Here. Come. This is us. Hurrah.
Hurrah. Oh, beautiful. Excellent.
Thank you. Kaunas. Let's see what Kaunas has to offer. The smell of bacon in here is unbelievable. Have a look at these weird fucking things. Have a look at them. I think we need to get some cherries to fuel us on our way.
Very black.
Black cherries are the best.
Yes.
Which ones, Marina? Which cherries do you want? I want the black ones. You better? Okay. I've learned. Just let her choose. Oh yes, very black cherries. They're black cherries. Oh, I think these are good.
Yes.
Come on. We're off. We've got our cherries. Got our fuel. Let's get into the city centre. It's an impressive sight when you come around the corner, isn't it, Marina? Beautiful?
Beautiful.
Serious church here. Also, we found the centre square.
Together old built and new.
This looks very Soviet, this doesn't it? Yeah, the church has got the commanding look over the best part of the city. Look at the length of this main city drag. It's where all the restaurants are. It leads down to the old town. What's this now? Doors closing. This is our funicular. One way to get down the mountain.
Special for us.
Special for us. Nobody else trusts the product. Out the front of the main museum here. Memorial 1921. Got the Contempo Arts Festival happening here in the city right now. As soon as you get out of the city centre, you start to come across these fantastic classic timber houses intermingled with the new builds. In this environment, it must be so hard to keep the maintenance up on these classic timber houses. Here's a great example of the new next to the timber classic. I like the look of the timber classic, but I'm pretty sure I like the maintenance of the new. See this? It was no joke when we said we're staying at the Very Bad Hotel. With a name like that, I couldn't resist checking it out. Come and have a look. We're inside. She's decorated a little bit differently. Genuine old 170-year-old piano. Hello. Okay. Let's go into our room. Oh, I don't know if this artwork on the wall's going to come out. Oh, here we go. Great paintings. Shit. It fell over. No, that's not our room. Grinch. This is our room. Alright, come and have a look at our room. It's got a couple of unusual features I've never had before. I don't think I've ever had a pair of swords before. I don't think I've ever had a telescope before. And I'm pretty certain no room I've ever had has had its very own double barrel shotgun before. It's a great view. We might have to wait for the sun to go a bit further. Not sure what we'll see at the moment. Geneva River down there. Fantastic view. Now Marina's in the shower, so we'll wait for her to come out before we go in the bathroom. Here's our cool bathroom. Pretty nice, really. Another good view out the window. And always, this hotel cost us about $75 Australian per night. Pretty good. Welcome to the lookout from the Very Bad Hotel. Up there on that beautiful balcony, we had breakfast. This is more accommodation here. Obviously, it's the morning of day 2. First day was a bit of a wipeout. Marina had a headache, so she didn't want to do a lot. Her first day on the road, and she's gone down. I told her she needs to lift her game, but she assures me she's ready to go today. She's up on top of the stairs here, and we're off into the city. Goodbye, very bad hotel. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very bad hotel? Good hotel?
Yes, good hotel.
Okay.
Breakfast. Good sleep.
Parsley, let's go. Where are we, Marina?
Hello.
Where are we?
This is President History's Complex.
Yes, the President's Historical Complex in Old Town. Lots of pictures telling you who's been here. Not a bad little park. This is better, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, much better.
This is more beautiful. The old town. A lot of the old town here is currently under renovation, which is a good thing. It's about 11:30 in the morning. As you can see, nobody around. Life does not start in Europe until about 1 p.m. There's just nobody around until about 1 p.m. What's up here? It's caught my interest. Oh, Machina. Car. Yeah, opening for us, but no, there's a car behind us. Not magic. Oh, okay, wow. This fortification area. Oh, look at this, Marina.
Yes.
Fascinating. Excellent. What's down here? They've got like an auditorium set up, is it? Yes, they've set it up like an auditorium for shows, and maybe they do battle reenactments and that sort of thing here.
I think earlier water here, this special canal
Yes.
for water,
Yes.
water for save.
Yeah. I think now they do battle reenactments and that sort of thing. Fights, pretend to storm the castle. Where's the dragons? I want to see the dragons. Excellent. This is the park we're in. Located at the confluence of the rivers Nemus and Neris, the park is considered the heart of Kaunas. The two largest rivers of Lithuania meet here, and the park is a favourite place for romantic walks, dates, picnics, or sports. If you want to read the rest of it, freeze the video. Amazing park though. Where else do you see this sort of thing? Bannicum Castle, auditorium, obligatory church, of course, another one that did not show in the previous shot. Over here we have an athletics track, soccer fields, major sports complexes on the other side, walking paths, places for children, and of course down there are the rivers. Marina,
Yes.
are you ready for our romantic walk in the park?
Yes, I always ready for romantic. Seem very few romantic for me.
Well, let's go over to the castle and I'll rescue you from the dragon. Here sleeps the beast of Kaunas. Come closer to the hole in the wall and hear him snoring. If there's no sound, he may be gone somewhere. Come later, be quiet. Look at this, the damsel in distress. She's gone straight for the dragon. Is he home? Is he snoring? Quiet. I can hear him snoring.
Yes.
This is Dragon.
Dragon.
Here sleeps a beast of Kaunas. Oh, we just read that one. Let's get out of here. The danger level is too high. That's classic. Very funny. Very good, very good. She's sitting down for the shot. Now that is a serious man on a horse. You can see the rivers behind us. See beautiful new apartments happening here. This city is actually a very impressive place. Here's the castle tower. Okay, fair maiden, stop eating cherries. In the tower. Yep, we can go up. Let's have a look. Look at this railing. I'm feeling very Jon Snow. Good view. In the park, the rivers, you can see all the new apartment complexes. The city's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I think, how many people here, Marina?
No, 400,000.
400,000? Feels bigger than that.
Maybe more.
Maybe
No.
more? Yeah, yeah. Excellent city though, especially this time of year. Well, that was Kaunas Castle, built in the 14th century. Well worth a look. Good day. Another amphitheatre on this side. Excellent facilities here for the community. Put it on the ground. I gotta hide it behind you. Oh, setting up for the perfect Instagram shot. Hashtag Kaunas 2022. Ready for that Instagram shot? Yes. How to tell if you're in an old town in Europe. Church. 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 And the big church. How many churches in Europe, Marina?
Very too much.
Too much, yes, too much. And as you can see, the restaurants still have not started. Almost midday and they still not have started.
Usually in Italy.
Another day, another giant church. Let's have a look inside.
Too much church in the Europe.
Yes, lots of churches in Europe. This is pretty special though. Yes, yes.
Europe's culture.
Europe's culture.
In the Poland, in the
Wow.
Lithuania, in the Latvia, very strong.
Religion. Have a look at this church. Wow.
Very beautiful, very strong.
Oh, look at the
People
work on this place. I don't know where to point the camera. There's so much to see in this one. Look. Doing some work for the Lord over there. Oh, look at this place. Yeah. Scaffolders, they're always bloody noisy. Have a look at this. Sorry about that noise. The money that's gone into this place. Bit of a serious bug infestation with this building. I'm loving the artworks here. Very, very impressive. Kaunas has the longest restaurant entertainment strip of any of the cities I've visited. All the way down to the church at the end. Over the bridge to the island. Big shopping centres, all your normal stuff. Acropolis, yes, the big shopping centre, Acropolis. Here we are back at the station with 104 kilometres to get back to Vilnius. This place has been a fantastic city. What did you think of this city, Marina?
This is city very good for life.
Yes, we both agree on that. The city is excellent. The infrastructure is fantastic. You know, if you're considering moving to this part of the world, from what we saw, we think this possibly could be the best city to live in that we've seen. Don't know for sure, of course, but no, I've been really, really impressed with what we saw. The further we went into the city, the better it got. Anyway, time for us to get back on the train, head back to Vilnius. Thanks for watching. See you next time.